Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 3 from paper January 2021, Pearson Edexcel Pure Mathematics P1. We will go through the problem step by step, ensuring you understand the concepts and techniques. Question 3 is figure 1, shows a sketch of a part of the curve with equation y equals to 4 cos x. Right. And the point P and the point Q lies on C1 and are shown in figure 1. State the coordinate of P. Okay, P and the coordinate of Q. Right, so equation is y equals to 4x. So, right. So basically only the amplitude, they have changed the amplitude. Now the amplitude is 4. Let's look at the original graph here, y equals to cos x. If you look at the original graph, angles are given in degrees and radians. So I'm looking for angles in degrees because cos x is in degree. Okay, that's why. So this is 0 and here is 1 and this is -1. This is the original graph of cos x. So at this point where the curve touches to x-axis is 90. So, and this point where the curve touches to x-axis is 270. So it means that this point is 90. Okay, and this point is 270. And again after 270, this point is 360 because this 360 is here. And after 360, if I add 90 degree in it, so then that is 450. So this point is 450. Okay, y equals to 4 cos x is the graph. So the amplitude here is 4. So this is 4 and this is -4. Okay. By looking at the graph, I just label my diagram according to the given information. For that, I should know how the cos x graph look like. Okay, how it looks like. So this is what I should know first. Then, if I look at the negative side, this point P is it is here. This is the minimum point. Okay, this is the minimum point in the original graph, and the minimum point here, that is P, is this point that I have colored with red, and this point is negative 180 degree. Okay, so this is negative 180 degree, right? So the coordinate of P in this case, it would be negative 180 degree and -4. Right? And if I look at the coordinate of Q, so coordinate of Q is 450, and y, because it's x-intercept, so y is 0 there. Right? Next, the curve C2 has equation y equals to 4 cos x plus k, where k is a constant. Curve 2 has a minimum y value of -1. Now, they said that the curve C2 has equation y equals to 4x plus k. Okay, it means the graph is shifted vertically, either upward or downward. But how do I know it is shifted upward or downward? Curve C2 has a minimum value y of -1. Okay, so it means that when the graph is shifted, so now the minimum value is -4. Okay, y value is -4. But when the graph is shifted, then its negative value is -1. Okay, so this means that the whole graph is shifted. This whole graph is shifted up. So let's say here is -1. Okay, so it means that the whole curve is shifted to -1. So then okay, so they did not ask us to shift it. Okay, the point R is the maximum point on C2 with the smallest positive x coordinate. Okay, so state the coordinate of R. Smallest positive x coordinate. Right. So if I shift this graph, let's look at this figure here. Let's say I have shifted this graph. Before it was on -4. This graph is on -4. Now I'm shifting this graph and taking it to -1. Let's say this point is now -1. Okay. From -4, I have shifted to -1. Okay. So -4 to -1. So it means I need to tell the maximum point on C2 with the smallest positive x coordinate. So this is the maximum point of curve C2. Let's say this is curve C2 after shifting. So this is the maximum point, and I have to tell what is the smallest positive x coordinate. So x coordinate in this case is what? Right? Here it was 4 because I shifted everything 3 units up, -4 to -1, -3, -2, -1. Okay, so 3 units up. So when I have shifted everything 3 units up, so this would be 4 plus 3. So it means this is 7. Okay, so if I look at my original graph, this point is 90 degree, this is 180, and this point is 90, this is 270. Yeah, let's write down here. This is 90, this is 270, and this point is 360 degree. Okay, so the maximum coordinate here is 360 and 7, and this is the smallest x coordinate. All right, let's copy down. So state the coordinate of r. So r is 360 and 7. All right, this was question number 3 from paper January 2021, Pearson Edexcel Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AYS Maths channel.